Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about the app that I use for all of my shopping needs. So this is Flipp, and Flipp is a great way for you to have a shopping list, clip coupons, do all of these wonderful things that we all do every week, and it's nice because you can do it on your phone. So as you can see, they have all of the weekly ads that are available. You don't have to wait for those circulars to come in the mail. You can have a watch list, so if you're having a big party or something and you want to watch to see where the best deals are, you can click on that. There's always the search button where you can search for a particular item on sale. You have the ability to share if you see a great deal and you know that your aunt is having a party for your uncle's 50th birthday and you want to share where she can get the best sour cream. You can go ahead and do that. There are coupons that you can clip, and my favorite part is the shopping list. So let me go ahead and show you how to use this app. This is Flipp's homepage, and as you can see, the thing that first pops up are all of my weekly ads that I have already clicked on as my favorites. So I use some of the same stores every week. But what I want you to focus on right now is in the upper right hand corner, I have my zip code. The zip code is important to put in so that you know where or the app has information on where to search for you. And the great thing about this is if I click that gear up there in the settings, you can see that it's got my current zip code. And the great thing is if you're on vacation or if you're traveling, you can always change the zip code and find the deals near you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the list feature. There are several other features, but if you'll look down towards the bottom of the screen, there are 4 different choices there, and I'm going to show you the one on the far right, which is the list section. So let's go ahead and go there now. All right, here's our list screen, and as you can see at the top of the page, we either have the choice of a shopping list or a watch list. So what I want to do is create my shopping list. I'm going to click on See Recommended Items. A bunch of icons show up. The nice thing is the things that I recently added to my last shopping list are there, and it's very easy to click on the icon to add it to your shopping list and possibly add some more popular items as well. When I click Add Items, I want you to notice that there will be a little wave that shows up by each item. So let me go ahead and do that and see if you can see that. So on potatoes, there were 41 deals that showed up. And if I click on the word potatoes, then I can see every store that has some kind of deal on potatoes in general, whether they're frozen foods or whether they are a particular type of potato. So I'm going to click back. But as you can see, what they've also done is they've added an actual list by produce, dairy, etc. So if I'm at the store and I'm going through my list and I put eggs in my carton, all I do is click it and it crosses it off the list. Adding an item down at the bottom of the page, I can put in something like ham. I can add that, and as you can see, there are items that show up, and there's a ham at Vons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that ad, and what it does is it brings me right back to the circular ad, and if I decide that I want that, all I have to do is tap on that ad and it puts a circle around it. It tells me how much, it shows me that I can share the deal right from there, and then I can go back to my list, and if you notice on the top, I now have 9 items that I have circled on different ads. So there we go. We have apples, potatoes, and so on. And that's my app demonstration, and we have lots more to show, and we'll have some more videos for you, so come back to the channel and see if there's something that you might want to see about different ways to browse. But for now, I appreciate your time, and I hope that this has been helpful. Have a great day.